Hello everyone, so I'm back. In this video clip, I'm going to share with you about how to use a CMG inside an ADCS and also how an ADCS will look like when it is utilizing or incorporating CMGs within their design as their main actuator. So you can see the first instance of our ADCS here, the ADCS 10M. So it basically contains with one single CMG. And just to let you know, this CMG is a variable speed CMG. So that means it is capable of outputting torque in two axes. So the z-axis of the CMG here, or the z-axis of the ADCS, has to be controlled by a magnetorquer that is also on the boards that is beneath the CMG here. So that usually these module is used in a 3U CubeSats, which has a longer shape and also having smaller moment of inertia in its z-axis, so that there is why we are aligning the magnetorquer control axis with the z-axis of the satellite, while the CMG is used to actuate the orientation of the satellite in the rest of the two axes that has larger moment of inertia. And then also you can zoom into it and see there are also other attitude sensors here, like the fine sun sensors here. They are capable of being installed in the tuna can. Like the CMG itself is designed for the tuna can bottom, so you can put these things outside of the spacecraft, and you don't need to drill holes or remove solar panel from the surface of a satellite in order to mount those attitude actuator, but all you need is to have those fine sun sensors to be mounted on the surface of the tuna can, and your ADCS will automatically get sufficient field of view without the need to remove solar panels on the rest of the surface of your spacecraft. So the second instance of our ADCS is the ADCS designed for 6U CubeSats, which comes with two CMG over here. Then actually they are also actuated by the same ADCS computer, ADCS software, and also the same sensor suite. However, they are just using two identical CMG here that is placed in an adjacent pair, so that these CMG cluster can have sufficient and complete three-axis control capabilities, and also this you can utilize more in its gyroscopic torque and further minimize the power consumption from these ADCS systems. And then the third configuration of Tensor Tech's CubeSat ADCS series is to use four control moment gyroscope here, and then they are also connected to the one same single ADCS computer. But in this time, you have a pyramid cluster of variable speed CMG, and they are capable of tolerating up to 2 failures onto the CMGs, and you can still be able to make your ADCS functioning properly. Also, besides the CubeSats series of our products, we also offer different ranges of our ADCS systems designed from CubeSat to microsat and even to SmallSat. And all these systems, they are based in the same ADCS computer with the magnetorquer driving capabilities. And then the major difference is in the size of CMGs that they are connecting to. They can connect it to the smallest form factor of the CMG that contains with 0.01 Newton meter seconds of the angular momentum storage capability, or the CMG that offers up to 1 Newton meter seconds of the angular momentum storage capability, or CMG that is even larger. So that in this case, this extendable, modularized, and scalable ADCS architecture can support customers' needs with different expectation on the controllability and agility of their satellite mission. So our strategies here in Tensor Tech is that we make our component products to be standardized and modular, so all these components have a wide variety of ranges of specification for users to choose from, but we offer a suggestions for you when we are delivering you an ADCS solution. Then we will give you suggestions on how to combine these sensor and actuators, and then also the selection of the actuator, give you a proposal on showing you how we suggest you to build ADCS. Then when we are delivering you these ADCS subsystems, then we can quickly connect those different sensor and actuator from Tensor Tech and give you a pretty quick delivery of the ADCS, and also therefore lowering down, shortening your go-to-orbit time for your systems. For example, you can see the architecture here that our ADCS computer can support not only 2-CMG but also 4-CMG as a pyramid cluster for small satellite scale satellite. And one philosophy that Tensor Tech is adopting at the moment is that now in the sector of satellite manufacturing or satellite system business, things are usually very costly due to the rigorous manpower that is invested in each system, because things are not standardized and not scalable, and the software are all reprogrammed, and then these lose the reliability and also the verification results, and also making the integration time and cost to be very high. So in Tensor Tech, our way of doing these and delivering these systems is that we develop a standard software architecture that is able to connect to different numbers of sensor and actuator, and so we are easily to and quickly to deliver you the ADCS systems with some months, and also be able to make the cost of these manpower costs to be much lower than the traditional tailor-made solutions used to be. So this is the value that Tensor Tech try to provide for the user, not just only helping you to deal with the complicated steering law of a CMG, but also help you to shorten down your go-to-orbit time, or even the manpower cost that is typically involved in the traditional ways of the satellite manufacturing. So let's look into this ADCS system. That there are multiple control modes within that is available for the users, including the safe modes, the sun pointing modes that it points to the sun, detumbling, fine pointing. These are all available with proper fault handling and detection mechanisms over there, so the user are able to do a plug and place, send commands from their OBC or the flight computer to these ADCS, and then they are able to get access to the motion control of their spacecraft. And so that is a quick introduction for you about Tensor Tech's ADCS solution, and also what kind of value that we try to deliver with this subsystem solution. And I hope you enjoy this video clips. And if you have any more questions about our product portfolio, welcome to drop a message to Tensor Tech and reach out to our team. Thank you for your time.